Mastering the Cambridge Financial C1. Reading and Use of English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on the Cambridge English exams. Today, we're diving deep into the Reading and Use of English section of the C1 Financial ICFE exam. Whether you're a financial whiz or an English enthusiast, this video will provide you with essential practice exercises and sample tests to hone your skills. So, let's get started. The Reading and Use of English section is designed to assess your ability to understand different types of text, such as fiction, newspapers, and magazines. It also tests your grasp on grammar and vocabulary in context. This section usually contains different tasks including multiple choice, gapped text, and open close, among others. 1. Time management. Ensure you distribute your time effectively. Spend more time on parts that you find challenging but don't get stuck on one question. 2. Context is key. Before choosing an answer, read a sentence or two before and after the gap. This will help you select the most suitable word or phrase. 3. Grammar first. For open-close tasks, think about the grammar first. If there's a preposition before the gap, for example, then you know you need a noun, gerund, or pronoun. Read the text below and choose the best word or phrase for each gap. The financial market is in a constant state of A, and investors need to be agile to keep up. It's important to B, the risks and ensure you have a diversified portfolio. A. 1. Motion 2. Movement 3. Fluctuation 4. Flow. B. 1. Understand 2. Realize 3. Comprehend 4. Recognize. Answer. A. 3. Fluctuation. B. 1. Understand. Complete the text using one word in each gap. The A of any investment lies in its ability to provide returns over A, B, period. Answer. A. Value. B. Sustained. Now, let's take a quick sample test. This is designed to give you a feel for what to expect on exam day. A. Are instruments that allow investors to purchase shares in a company. It's crucial to B. Market trends to make informed decisions. Answer. A. Stocks. B. Monitor. And that's a wrap. I hope these exercises and tips prove helpful as you prepare for the C1 Financial ICFE exam. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills, and you'll be well on your way to acing the test. Best of luck, and see you in our next video.